me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na.
Lights, colors, and beauty of the world is because we see. For those without sight, it is all darkness. To encourage people to donate their eyes and to increase awareness of eye donation in the society, 10th of June is observed as World Eye Donation Day. Let us all pledge our eyes to help restore sight in someone and make him see long after we are gone. Asato ma sadgamaye, tamaso ma jyotirgamaye, mrityo ma amrutam gamaye.
Namaskar. As the Secretary Pune Ophthalmological Society, I wish you all a very happy World Eye Donation Day. This video is made with the sole purpose of educating, removing myths and motivating people about eye donation. Let's together pledge our eyes and take part in the noble act of eye donation. Thank you.
Eye donation is an act of donating one's eyes after his or her death. Only corneal blindness can be benefited through this process. It is an act of charity purely for the benefit of the society and is totally voluntary. Eyes from a dead person can enable two blind people to acquire vision, and even if in your will it is not written about the eye donation, not mentioned, it is the next akin who can take the decision of donating your eyes. Thank you.
India, it is estimated that more than 10 million people have got in one eye vision less than 660 due to corneal diseases. Among these, 1 million people at least have got a corneal diseases opacity in both eyes, in spite of it is being preventable and treatable. It is also said that more than 25 to 30,000 corneal blindness people are added every year.
Hi, I'm Deepika. After 2 years back, Dr. Sangeeta Wagh do my cornea transplantation. After this surgery, I see the better world thanks to her and thanks to my donor also to give me a new life. On this World Eye Donation Day, donate eye because you can and be the reason for someone to see the sunshine. Thank you.
Cornea is the clear surface in front of the eye, like the glass dial on your wristwatch. Now, if this gets cloudy because of infection, disease, injury, or old age, the light transmission inside the eye is affected, and this will cause a drop in vision. It's called corneal blindness.
Blind person who is blind due to corneal opacity is getting benefited due to the donor's clear cornea. And I think the dead person can donate his or her cornea after the death, and that is replaced with the recipient's opaque cornea. The eye banks are doing wonderful job for collecting corneas and doing this corneal transplantation in the blind people, and that is also used as processing, then some research purpose also. Thank you so much.
Anyone can donate their eyes. Previous eye surgery, less vision, eye disease is not the bar. You can donate the eyes. People who cannot donate their eyes are suffering from AIDS, rabies, tetanus, acute leukemia, cholera, meningitis, and encephalitis. But even if the eyes cannot be used, they can be used for the research purpose, which will help the mankind. So do donate the eyes.
Eye Bank was set up in USA, New York, 1945. Late Dr. R.S. Muthaiya started it in India in 1948. And during the same period, he performed the first corneal transplantation. Government of India issues a certificate of registration to all the eye banks in India. 1919 is the toll-free number for all eye bank info. The local newspapers also carry emergency eye bank list.
I am Atharva Deshpande and I am very thankful to the donor because of whom I can see the world as the beautiful place it is today.
Yes, We realized when Athar was just 3 months old that he cannot see with both his eyes, and that was when Dr. Sangeeta Wagh advised us and then operated on both his eyes.
Through an eye donation, I was able to see the world as a very beautiful place.
So,
we should all pledge to donate our eyes to make the world a more beautiful place.
You can become a donor by pledging your eyes, by filling up the relevant documents, or by informing your near and dear ones about your wish to do so that they are aware of your desire to help others. The gift of sight is made anonymously. Information about the donor or donor family is not made available to the recipient, and likewise, recipient information is not made available to the donor family. All religions endorse eye donation. Needs to be donated within 6 to 8 hours of death. Anyone can be a donor irrespective of age, sex, blood group or religion. One cornea is grafted to one person. Switch off the fans, keep the air conditioner and cooler running, and place wet cotton over the eyes. Raise the head of the deceased slightly by placing a pillow underneath. Keep a copy of death certificate ready if available. Contact the eye bank person as soon as possible. Give the contact address with prominent landmarks. Give an alternative cell number of any person or a relative so that the person can reach in time.
It helps restore vision which a person loses due to corneal blindness. Once we inform the team comes to your doorsteps and collects the tissue. Collection of the tissue does not lead to any form of disfigurement of the face or the body of the person who donates it. Eye donation is a social cause. I have donated my mother's eyes when she passed away, and I request you all to join this venture for the betterment of the society. Thank you.
मैं नेत्र तज्ञ डॉक्टर गीतांजलि शर्मा। नेत्र दान एक दिव्य दान है। अंध दुनिया प्रज्वल हो जाए, तिमिर हट जाए, तमस घट जाए, हर जिंदगी उज्जवल हो जाए। नेत्र तज्ञ हम विनती आपसे करे प्रतिज्ञा नेत्र दान की, रहे न कोई अंध यहाँ पर, यही प्रार्थना हर इंसान की, यही प्रार्थना हर इंसान की। धन्यवाद।
Be the reason for someone to see sunshine. Live back your vision. How? Donating the eyes.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा